So what I'm wondering is if we can add additional arguments to the S3 push. So let's find the AWS CLI S3 documentation and just remind ourselves what that command is. Okay. So I guess we're going to be using a copy for that. Probably a sync, I don't know. Sync, yeah. Okay, so let's look at the sync command and see what additional options we have. So I think we can set metadata on that, which will allow us to Alternatively, I could set up another bucket, which then just redirects back, which seems a little bit excessive, but let's have a look at the Terraform setup for the CloudFront. Okay, let's just add 1 hour is about that. So I think that's 8640. 400 seconds in hours. I think that's 48 hours, no, 24 hours, okay. 1 day and 1 minute, okay. So we definitely don't have a cache that's too old, right? This is a problem that's lasted multiple days. Okay, so let's have a look. S3 sync with cause metadata. Yeah, this one. Okay, so our bucket does have a cause configuration. Now I'm a little bit anxious to log into my Amazon on stream, but you know what? Let's just do it. YOLO. Security be damned. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to put that up in this desktop here. All right, so we've now logged into our platform sub account, and we're going to have a look at our S3 bucket and just have a poke around and see what this Terraform code is actually doing. So I wonder, in fact, if the problem is related to an old version of the AWS provider. So Terraform issue GitHub AWS provider cause, because I do remember reading it. The reason why I split those originally on the bucket, these two different cause rules, right, is because Terraform wasn't handling it, and there's a GitHub issue about it. Yeah, this one. So maybe this has been fixed and we can just upgrade. Let me just note this GitHub issue down for posterity. Okay, cool. So Terraform 12.012.1, which I believe we're something near that. Sorry, I need to do that away from the mic, don't I? Okay. Okay, so our Terraform is out of date, which might be. Here we go. So this is the GitHub issue that we were dealing with originally, where ideally you should be adding in all those allowed origins, right? And it should provide multiples of that rule. This issue has automatically migrated. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's replace our note with that URL. I think that URL's, yeah. Cool. All right, so what's really happening here? Yeah, so this is what I did. However, it doesn't seem to work, does it? I mean, we could just start with the, so they're doing the star first, right? So wildcard first, then HTTPS without anything, right? Okay, so interesting that the, okay. So it might be worth having a check and seeing if we can update the provider. So oops. Let's just split this so that my little kitty face doesn't get in the way. And set the cat. All right, and so we're just going to cd into the Terraform directory, and I guess we're just going to do a brew update and a brew upgrade Terraform. while we're doing that, I'm going to bring us back into the AWS account and have a look at the cores configuration on this bucket. How does that work again? I think I have to be inside the bucket, right? Oh, what was that message? We've re-enabled the previous. Okay. Cool. So I think it's under management, right? And or properties. Okay. Redirection rules. Trying to remember where that is, where the core stuff is. Permissions. Cores configuration. That's one. Okay. So we do appear to have the correct or the different cores rules using that solution. So what I think I did wrong was adding this HTTPS, although this is the one that's working. So I'm not sure why. Oh yeah, so I have to remove that one, I guess. Okay, so maybe oh, that isn't the one that's working, right? So this one's working only because the origin is the same, right? I believe that's what's happening here. Okay, so we have just upgraded Terraform, and now we're going to run Terraform. What is it called? So we've got init, but I think, yeah. Okay, so let's run Terraform init on the current directory. Okay. What's happening there? Scripts. Okay, I don't think I have my credentials properly set up just yet. Okay, let's just check some stuff off screen. Okay, that should be correct. So now we've got, let's just check, we've now got Terraform-v. Okay. Alright, maybe we don't need to do a Terraform init. Let's just try this. Terraform apply. Oh, sorry. Let's be in the Terraform directory and run Terraform apply. I think created by the most recent could not be decoded. Okay. I guess we can just reconfigure our backend. And that's going to bring in the I haven't had to do that reconfigure before. Maybe that's a new feature in Terraform. Usually it just works.